Hi English 131 students, welcome to the Fall 2025 semester. My name is Professor Jacob Bodway. I will be your instructor throughout this term. This video is designed to show you how the course is organized. When you log in, you'll notice the announcement screen located right here. Every Monday I will post an announcement that outlines the work for the week. I'll also post the link for the Zoom office hours, which I'll have every Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. If you want to contact me throughout the semester, please use the email link in Brightspace up here. Okay? So email me through Brightspace if possible. Most of your time will be spent in course content. At the very beginning of the semester, I want you to go to the Welcome Start Here page, but also the course information page. The course information page has your course information sheet, which you can download. It also has a course overview, a video on how the course will be organized, the course learning objectives, the materials, and for this course you only need to purchase one book. If you want to get it from Amazon, you can. Otherwise, I do have the PDF link to the entire text embedded in the course, so really you don't have to buy anything for this class. You'll also notice the due dates located right here. So I highly recommend saving this to your desktop or printing it off so you have the entire semester laid out for you so you know exactly what's due when. Okay? Also some other links that you should check out before you begin the semester. Most of the time you'll be spent in course content. This course is divided into 3 units, and we'll be spending all of our time on a Monday-Wednesday schedule. Now, this does not mean you need to log in only on Mondays and Wednesdays. I'm just using a Monday-Wednesday schedule as an arbitrary way to set due dates and to keep the course organized, okay? So notice when you click on week 1, you'll have a lot of video lectures. Composition, the arts, humanities, social sciences, style guides, stuff like that, okay? Some of the discussion topics, a personal reflection. I just want to hear about why you're taking the class. So most of the video lectures in this class are focused on climate change and your community. Now, climate change is obviously a controversial topic, but we can all admit that there are some things that all of us can do in our community to make it more livable, okay? That's what I want to focus on. What can you do in your community to help you contribute to make it more livable? That might be creating bike paths in your community. That might be working at a park for your community, okay? So the social sciences part of this class is an important element, okay? So the last part of this semester, you'll be working on a grant request where you'll actually be asking to fund a project up to $250,000 that will benefit your community. So it's kind of an exciting final project where you'll actually be in the field taking pictures and working with your classmates and with me to generate a really interesting grant request. Okay, so I hope this kind of answers some of your questions. What I recommend is just kind of moving around Brightspace, clicking the links, and seeing what's available. I think that's the best way to kind of learn the course. Also, I discourage you from working ahead too far. Students who work ahead tend to not do as well, which is ironic, but they don't do as well because they end up missing discussion boards or they forget to circle back and comment on their classmates' posts. So it's important that you just work through this semester week by week. I think that's the best advice I can give because there's a lot to do each week, and it's important that you stay on top of it week by week. Now, if you have any questions, again, I'm happy to answer them. Simply click the email link up here, and you'll be able to email your instructor, which is me, or you can come to my office hours on Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Have a great semester. I look forward to working with all of you. Take care.